Well, to show you how to play the game, I'm going to use coins instead of people. So what I've done here, I've put 4 coins on the map at the beginning points. 1 on number 2, 1 on 3, 1 on 4, and the 1 on 3. I put them next to the numbers so that you could actually see the numbers, otherwise they just cover them over. And I'm going to play against one of our team here, Perach, who you can distinguish by her green nails, who will appear that will appear when we play the game. By the way, this game is taken from an actual scientific paper written by Avi Ezri Frenkel together with Robert Hearn and Aaron Siegel. This paper is called The Theory of Combinatorial Games. It's an actual article, university scientific article, and you can see over here even the game which I just took from the article and blew up. And here it is over here. So I've put the coins on the starting place, and the goal of the game is actually to move the coins to an end position where Perach, my adversary, will not be able to make a move. How can that be? Well, if you notice, there are some points here. Two of them are labeled 0, where the arrows are only going into, and there are no arrows coming out to, these 2 zeros over here. So if all 4 coins are on these 2 zeros, then I will not be able to move, then the person against me will not be able to move. So I'll make my first move. I'll go from number 4 to number 2. My goal is actually, my strategy is to put all 4 coins on 2 pairs of identical numbers. Here I have 2 coins on the number 2 and 2 coins on the number 3. So we have 2 pairs of identical numbers. This will ensure that I can win the game. This is called the XOR 0 position. By the way, you can have all 4 coins on the same number, and there are even some combinations where I'll get the XOR 0 position even if they're not on identical numbers, but I'll leave that for you to try and figure out yourselves when you play the game. Well, now it's Perach's time to make a move. Perach, I've made my move. Oh, Perach is going from 2 to 1. Now I need to again find a position which will give me 2 pairs of coins on identical numbers. So we have 2 coins on 3, so I'll move my coin according to the arrow to number 1. I have 2 on 1 and 2 on 3. Again, 2 pairs of identical numbers. Perach goes from 1 to 0. She's already got 1 coin into the end point. Well, I'll also put mine from 1 to 0, so now I have 2 coins on 3 and 2 on 0. Perach goes from 3 to 0. Well, this means I have to go from 3 to 0 to make, again, now all 4 coins are really on the number 0. Well, now it's Perach's time to make a move, and Perach goes from 0 to 3. Well, now what am I going to do? I have 2 coins on 0, 1 on 0 and 1 on 3. I need to have 2 pairs of coins on 2 identical numbers. Wait a minute. If I go from 3 to 0, all 4 coins will be in the end position, on end places, and Perach will not be able to make a move. So that means that I've won. My apologies, Perach. If you want to learn more about the strategy of the game, you'll have to go to the booklet and take a look. Thanks.